Hello, this is the solution for programming assignment 1 of week 10 of the course The Joy of Computing Using Python. The problem statement is we are given a string or a number consisting of only ones and zeros. In the program, we need to flip one of these digits of the number from 1 to 0 or 0 to 1. If by flipping the digit we get all ones or all zeros in the string, then we print yes, otherwise no. So we start by taking the input in the form of a list of type int. So we have a list of the characters. So now we need to iterate through each of this element and flip it to the other element. That is, if it's 1, flip it to 0. If it's 0, flip it to 1. So iterate through the list, range of length of list. List of I equal to 0 if list of I is equal to 1. So if it is 1, flip it to 0. Else flip it to 1. We can only flip one value in the number provided. So after flipping, we need to check if the number has all ones or all zeros. So we can do that by using the list.count function. You can count the occurrence of the first element in the list if it is equal to the length of the array. So if the count of 1 is 5 here, that means it's equal to the length of the array, so which means we get the answer. We print yes and exit from the loop. Else, if by flipping the first element we don't get the count equal to length, then we need to set the value back to the original value, so that we flip the next element and check again. So for this we can just copy paste the same code here. This loop will run for the entire list, and if it finds that by flipping one value in the list we get all ones or all zeros, it's going to print yes and exit. If not, it will come to this line and print no. So here we can flip 0 to 1 and get similar ones. Same here. Here we can't because there are two elements to flip, and we can only flip one element. So we can try this in Swayam. As you can see, all passed. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.